Good afternoon, everybody. Today we're working on a 2019 F-150 that came to us with an engine noise they didn't like. It was making a real loud ticking sound. Somebody told him it was going to be a lifter and that's what he needed, but I thought the sound sounded like rockers and I was right. So I'm going to show you some good rockers. They don't really move around. Nice and in there. You can see the back side of the exhaust side in there, kind of. Excuse the shaky video. Trying to do it one-handed while hanging over the car. I'm gonna fast forward back to the back side. See if I can get just. That rocker is smoked. So the pivot where it pivots on is broken. So now it's not able to open the valve. So that's what the noise he's hearing. It sounds like all crazy when the engine's running, but that's it. Thanks guys for watching.